Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. VIX cash at 1870, the lowest level in 2 weeks as the markets are holding some key technical levels, and Fed speak gets a bit of a reprieve late in the week as some of the officials soften their stance a little bit. At least it was interpreted as such, and I think that that's helping to propel the equity markets higher and putting some pressure on the VIX this week. Looking at realized volatility, 10-day realized volatility down 1 vol point week over week from 15 to 14. 30-day realized volatility down a half a vol point week over week from 16.5 down to 16. At the money straddle in the SPX, looking 30 days out, implied vol level of 17. That's down 3.5 vol points week over week. So demand for at the money options in the SPX has declined quite a bit here the last couple of sessions. VIX futures, term structure, steepening, particularly in the front 3 months, and contango maintained throughout the entire term structure. Roll market, March-April roll, $1.15 a positive roll. That's twice as much as what we were seeing last Friday, so a steepening of the curve there. As well as I mentioned, the contango now is persistent throughout the rest of the futures curve into 2023. Activity in the VIX options, a lot of action in March today. March 18-20 put spread trades 27,000 times. March 30 calls trade 45,000 times today in a combination of straight outright trades as well as some spreading. And then you go to June. June is where the big action is today. The June 30-40 call spread traded 71 cents 110,000 times today. Next week, we're looking at a couple things that could influence the vol structure. We do have Fed testimony on Capitol Hill next week, so the market's going to be paying close attention to that. We also have some data points that the market's going to focus on, highlighted by non-farm payrolls at the end of the week. And market momentum shifting back to the upside, again, is going to influence the vol structure as we move into next week.